It's like right now I'm guessing it's a 3.5 to 1.
3.5 to 1? Okay.
Yeah.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
I like this. You're louder when you took your seat out, I bet you.
I don't know. I've had this built for 2 weeks.
Oh, okay. I like that. It's cool. Oh, wow. Did y'all build it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. Backyard build, man.
Okay. Nothing wrong with that.
2 ZV5 18s.
Okay.
On SFB 8K. I'm supposed to have another 8K.
Yes, sir.
I couldn't get one in time because of the coronavirus shit.
I understand, yeah.
I'm on 2 homes. So 1.4 per.
Alright. What are the box specs?
It's 44 deep and 38 wide. It's like right now I'm guessing it's a 3.5 to 1.
3.5 to 1? Okay.
Yeah. It's 2.2 per sub sealed and about 15 cubes ported right now.
Got it, okay. Right. How about your port?
I believe it's 48 inches.
Alright.
I'm thinking that the cab and the ported section are 1-to-1 right now, but I don't know.
Okay.
She's got a hellacious bandwidth. She plays like up to 80 hertz, yeah.
Okay.
I'm not on full power yet. I can't wait to get it on full power because then I can play with the port.
Yeah, you'll be able to open it up.
Right now I'm just like a tested tune stage, you know?
Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you for the demo.
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. What was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. All right, Tyler. I'm going to go look at the back. you'll be able to open it up.
Right now I'm just like a testing tune
Yep.
stage, you know?
Yes, sir. I understand. Thank you for the demo.
Thank you, man.
Oh, yes, sir. What was your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. All right, Tyler. I'm gonna go look at the back. I think so.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.